Alright, we're gonna try and ski down to my car. I've never ever done this because there's never been enough snow. So, we will see if we can get to it. I'm assuming we're gonna hit a lot of rocks, but it should be fun. Holy shit. Holy shit. We're gonna go all the way over to that end section. Oh my god, this is mental. So much terrain. Yo, what the hell? Oh, sticky. My god, no good. No, we'll do it. Yo, look at this. This is nuts. Holy shit. It's pretty insane. My car's down there somewhere, so we'll just drop in here or something. Yo! Yo! Oh my god, it's a dream! Yo! Yo! That's so nice! Oh my god! Look at this! Yo, unreal. Car's right down there. Which way do I want to go? Around here could be on. Oh, sharks. We expected the sharks. The lower we get. Yo. Car's right down there. We can ski through all this. Yo! 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 Oh my gosh! Mental. Ew! Oh, it's just so good. And we're still going. Don't want to go too far. Oh, oh. Ew. Holy, that's so nice. I think this is the bit where I'm about to hit a lot of sharks. That was fun though. So fun. Yeah, not looking good. There's the car. Yeah. Yo. Yo! How good.